It is important to know how to format data as a table. We have the shortcuts and we have the usual process. To format your data set is easy. You go to the Home tab, you click on Format as Table, and you choose any of your style which you like. Boom. Don't forget to give it a name. Table name. You can call it employee data, EP_data. So this is how you format your data as a table. If you want to use a shortcut, you just press Ctrl T and this pops up. It will take you to something similar. You can now go to this table and you choose any style of your choice, and you can still rename it as empt data. So this is how you can format your data as table, and it's very easy and convenient. Thank you for watching. Press like, share and subscribe. Bye for now.